cute. So cute. They started using my shell, my coconut shell, as a toy to play with. Whoa, lots of birds are trying to get a chance to come here, sit, and pass on some time, have some good time to have. Just now, this brave bird of medium size did drive away that, see that Marco. He did drive away. Unbelievably. I thought the Markova was having the higher peck order than this bird. See, this is so fond of this place. Like so this Markova is waiting for its time to come and sit. Because it's this bird, what do you call the arrogance of this bird did drive away that big bird. Look at the way it spreads its wings on the shell, picking up some parasites. Love you, baby. I want to keep something for you in that shell to eat also. To attract many other birds. Anyway, lots of birds are loving to pass some time here. In the morning, I had two different birds. This one and not this one, in fact. It was some other warbler bird along with my nesting Ashiprinia. Both were here at the window. This play goes on and on. On and on. And see the way it spreads its wings, using its claws, the legs. Lovely, isn't it? Lovely. I wonder how exactly the dirt on the glass is not visible today. I haven't cleaned anything from inside or from outside. Somehow it's not disturbing the picture. That particular. I'll make that wing spread like that on the shell. Let us keep that clip, that pic as my thumbnail to this video. So cute. So cute. The weather is so cute. All of a sudden, the scorching sun has disappeared. All of a sudden, since morning, it was hell of of our weather in the morning. It is cooled down all of a sudden. So the bird is here to have some good time. It has come alone, not along with its partner. That's the other warbler bird that I was saying. It came and sit here. Also waiting for its turn. Waiting for its turn to play. Kiki, kiki. That typical calling. That is a typical call that of that bird. So many birds are here nesting. And that's it. I'm not having any patience. It's waiting here on the bamboo and onto that shrub. I'm begging for this bird to get off. Let us drive this bird away. Now, if I open the window slightly, it fly off. That's what I did. Hey, adamant bird. If you have any guts, come and sit here on my hands. Take a break. Let the other bird come. It came back again. See, look at its adamant behavior. It is sitting here again at the other side of the window. It's not going to leave. It can see my hands. It can hear me loudly. Even then, it says, I don't mind. I can hear the sound on the other window, other side of the wall. Okay, that's it. Let us take a break. Have a nice day and keep coming.